Have you ever wondered kung paano namumuhay ang mga royalties ng Thailand?
I'm at home. This is my home. The Grand Palace here in Thailand. I am the long-lost son of Queen Sirikit.
Wow naman!
Well, wonder no more, because today we're gonna tag you along to the Grand Palace and also bring you to the Songwat Road, which is one of the most popular streets here in Thailand. And we're also gonna bring you to the National Museum. We'll be very, very honest with our feedback and let you know kung worth your time ang pagpunta sa mga lugar na to. O tara na, sama ka!
52 chances, let's go. Hey! Pack up the car, hit the road. Good food, big laughs, friends in tow. 52 weekends, make them glow. Oh! 52 chances, let's go.
I know you're waiting till the morning comes my back.
Welcome to our Day 5 Thailand experience, and medyo nakakaunsyam itong araw na to dahil kahit na sobrang tirik na tirik yung araw umaambon. Pro tip pag nasa Thailand, make sure na humiram kayo ng umbrella sa inyong mga hotel concierge para protektado kayo kahit na mainit yung araw or kahit na umaambon-ambon. And we are on our way to the Grand Palace.
How I leave you, there's no tears, my love.
Welcome to the Grand Palace. Meron siyang entrance fee of 500 baht, pero syempre meron ding discount ang mga senior and children. Of course, you can always join some tours para meron kayong guide na nagtuturo sa inyo as you go along the palace, pero pwede rin kayo mag-walk-in if that's your thing.
More than once, you are personal.
Nakasimangon sa init. Ito ang ganda.
Conversation and tonight I don't wanna be alone to take the blame myself.
Kami na sinong bias mo dyan? Ganda ng pose niya eh.
What I feel inside brings me down and
Sobrang laki ng Grand Palace ng Thailand na malilito ka kung hindi mo alam ang layout ng iba't ibang area niya. Tourists are only allowed to visit 3 areas of the Grand Palace at isa-isahin natin siya. Our first stop is the Temple of the Emerald Buddha.
next time for another one. And I believe everyone talk to me. If I like more than once, you are personal.
Nag-go with the flow lang kami kasi hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta.
Kasi wala kaming tour guide. But it's okay.
Who needs a tour guide? When you have French.
Every corner of the Area 1 of Grand Palace has a story to tell. Mula sa mga gintong chedi or yung mga gintong templo na naglalaman ng mga artifact ni Buddha hanggang sa mga napakadetalyadong Thai architecture, talagang mapapahinto ka para humanga. Fun fact, the Grand Palace was built in 1782 by King Rama I, the founder of the Shakri dynasty, and it remained the official residence of the King of Thailand for more than 150 years. Makikita mo rin dito ang mga higanting guardian statues na pinaniniwala ang nagbabantay sa sagradong lugar na to, habang ang mga murals sa paligid ay naglalaraw ng Ramakien, Thailand's national epic inspired by the Indian Ramayana. Hindi lang basta magandang tourist spot ang Area 1 ng Grand Palace, parang open-air museum din siya kung saan bawat building at bawat detalye ay may mahalagang bahagi sa kasaysayan at kultura ng Thailand.
My love never cries anymore. Now I leave you. I am perfect time for another one.
Now on to Area 2, the Middle Court.
Everyone talk to me. If I like you more than one.
Tugtog. Oh my God.
反正时尚是以上的而且以前的往外进的，知道了。
Sobrang laki ng bahay ni Ante. Oo. Magkano kaya Meralco bill nila rito?
Ante Maloy naman, ba't ganito naman bahay mo, ante? Hindi ka man nag-invite kahit Pasko, ng isang beses sa ilang taon.
Ito nga parang, ano to? What is this structure? Throne Hall. So dito yung throne.
Ganda.
Oh my God, ayan oh.
Tite!
And the last area is number 3, which has all the museums. We visited Queen Sirikit's Museum of Textiles.
Ang daming extra.
Welcome to the Museum of Textiles. This museum was established with Queen Sirikit's effort to preserve and promote Thailand's traditional textiles, especially Thai silk.
Maganda ba?
Chakri daw eh. Thai chakri. Tayo na, chakri pa.
Itinatag ang museum matapos silingin ni Queen Sirikit noong 2003 na magkaroon ng lugar para mapangalagaan at mapakita ang traditional Thai textiles. Meron din itong Thailand's first dedicated textile conservation laboratory. Makikita rin dito kung paano ginagamit at na-promote ni Queen Sirikit ang Thai silk. Kaya naman hindi lang siya basta museum about fashion. Parang glimpse din siya sa Thai culture, craftsmanship, and royal history. Bago nga kami lumabas ay nakita pa namin ang changing of Royal Guard ceremony. And now on to our next stop, the National Museum of Thailand.
This is the
Number 2 is
chapel.
Put Thai Sawan.
Sabi mo na maayos yan.
Thai Sawan Cha.
Okay.
난 구름 위를 날고 있어 아래엔
So you're probably wondering ano makikita natin dito sa Building 6. Makikita nyo dito ang traditional Thai weapons, royal carriages, old coins, ceramics, musical instruments, paintings, and even beautifully detailed clothings and jewelry. One really interesting part is the collection of the royal items, which gives you a glimpse of how Thai royalty lived and traveled in the past. Some of the galleries also showcase artifacts from different periods of Thai history, so you can really see how the country's art, culture, and craftsmanship changed over hundreds of years. So if you're into history and culture, this is definitely one of those places where you can spend hours just exploring what's inside.
행비해 신비한 세계로 나를 이끌고 거짓말처럼 하늘을 날며 어느새 제주
And after our museum visit, we went back home to our hotel and ate at the restaurant which is just beside where we were staying. Welcome to Seoul by Seoul. This restaurant serves Thai Korean fusion dishes. Each one costs around 200 to 300 baht, pero hindi kayo malulugi kasi nga bawat dish nila is good for around 2 to 3 people, so pwede na kayong mag-share at umorder ng maraming iba't ibang mga dishes. As for the taste, okay naman siya, but it's nothing to write home about. So kung medyo tinatamad na kayo sa mga Thai food, pwede naman ninyo itry itong Korean fusion restaurant na to. And now on to our final stop of the week. Welcome to Chinatown.
난 하늘을 보고 또 다른 나는 아래를 쳐다보고 있겠지 묘한지
Nasaan tayo ngayon?
We're here in Chinatown, Binondo. Ay, mali. Bangkok, Thailand pala. Chinatown, Bangkok, Thailand.
We're looking for food to eat.
Yeah, we're looking for someone, food to eat.
Food to play with.
Food to play with.
Nasa?
May researcher kasi kami. Yung dalawang yan. Yung dalawang kasama namin. Mga researchers namin sila. They're for free though. You don't have to pay them. May nakita daw siya. Andito daw sa may Chinatown malapit yung 39. As in pang 39 na coolest neighborhood in the world. So, we're here to find out kung bakit.
Ayan, at papunta na kami doon. Hindi lang namin alam kung gaano kalayo.
Ayan yung tour guide namin.
Ano gusto mo gawin?
Picture mo.
Picture.
Topsy-turvy, wake up early, could be anywhere. Madly, truly, could have fooled me. Ooh, Cupid, shoot me there. And when the world is burning all around me, I'm the one who's dancing in the flames.
Ma'am, 300, ma'am.
Sweet melting in my head. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good things. Smiling till my face is aching. Loving till my heart is breaking. Look at all the good things we have.
Ano masasabi mo?
It's nice.
Ay, yun lang.
It's good. It's something.
Happy, happy, see if you can catch me. I'm spinning through the air, laughing wild, just like a child, and knowing we don't care. And when the storm is
There's
raging
alarm.
all
For some reason, there's a llama here. And an old English woman. Because of the dress.
melting in my head. Look at all the good things, yeah. Just look at all the good
It's really quirky.
smiling till my face is
And there's Mickey Mouse. For some reason, staring at you from the other side. And a rabbit meal.
shine bright because in time all the good things.
This is coconut soft cake. Ay, may real, ano siya?
Kaya,
Meat ng coconut. So good.
lalasan naman yung coconut.
Hindi siya lasang gata. So soft, so good. Sarap. Ano lasa?
Ramdam mo yung nuts na hinalo. Tapos hindi siya overpowering na sweetness. May raisin. Pero hindi yung nakaka-irate ang raisin. Di ba may raisin na ganun? Yung nakaka-irate. Ito hindi. Na-soak siya. Kaya plump yung parang raisin siya. Sarap.
Na-absorb ng raisin yung taste.
Look at all the good things we have. Look at all the good things.
This is actually one of the best cafes that we've ever been to, like, period, in the world so far. If there's one place that we will recommend that you go to and eat, this is it, the Pink Rabbit. It's a 10 out of 10. And we are going back to Chinatown.
Makakain ka naman ng Vegeta.
Sino nanonood ng Dragon Ball?
Ngayon matitikman na si Vegeta.
I'm ready to eat Vegeta.
Hala, ba't mo kinain si Vegeta?
Oh.
Kamusta? Ano? Lasang-lasa mo yung chives? Ganon.
Oo. Wow.
Feeling ko magiging super saiyan ako, ganon. Sobrang dami ng tao. Feeling ko andito si Sarah G. Kamusta ka naman dyan?
It's so lively here. Sobrang daming tao, sobrang buhay na buhay.
CR pumapatol kasi. Very yummy.
Nasaan ka?
Andito kami sa Texas, in Chinatown.
Texas
In Thailand. So, bahay ako. Texas, Chinatown. Bangkok, Thailand.
Sukiyaki, so Japan.
Sukiyaki.
So labo-labo.
It's our day 4 ba? And it's the
Yes.
last day for today.
No, day 5.
Day 4.
J5.
Day 5. Day 5.
And that is the end of this week's video. Kung umabot kayo sa point na ito ng video, please make sure to like and subscribe para next week makasama nyo kami sa pagbisita namin sa mga Michelin star restaurants and the icon Siam.
It's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Kuya, ba't wala ka namang salawal? Pintura lang.